Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Right, you're asking yourself if that's black. No, that's Moonlight Blue Pearl Metallic Special Order. Dark blue, does shine and glisten blue in the sunlight. Special order paintwork. VW Touareg looks superb on those big 21-inch wheels with the Pirelli Scorpion tyres. Okay, VW Touareg 3 litre TDI V6 R-Line Plus Tiptronic automatic 4-wheel drive Euro 6 start-stop 3 litre diesel auto 4-wheel drive. R-Line Plus, so surround cameras, 21-inch wheels, things like heated steering wheels, but yes, black leather, heated seats, electric seats, memory seats, Westphalia removed tow bar in the boot, power tailgate, aluminium space saver spare wheel, freshly refurbished 21-inch alloys, shod in Pirelli Scorpions all round, professionally, properly refurbed alloys like new. Keyless entry, keyless start. No scuffs or stone chips. Front park sensors, front camera, daytime LED running lights, headlamp washers. So inside, lovely black leather, electric seats, as I say, heated seats, panoramic roof. I've got it tilted at the moment. It does slide back and it has an electronic sunshade. As I say, leather multifunction steering wheel that is heated. Obviously got cruise control. There's your heated steering wheel button, satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, auto hill hold, electronic handbrake. I think we've got the fitted mats at work. Privacy glass, aluminium roof rails, all the bits. Beautiful, beautiful example. Show you in the boot. I've got the Westphalia tow bar out. Power tailgate, there it goes. Okay, load cover, present and correct. A number plate for your caravan. Tow bar, Westphalia, keys in there, gloves. Underneath here, I will just show you, is the space saver spare wheel, jack, toolkit, wheel locking key, electric folding rear seats. I noticed the 2 buttons over there. Power fold rear seats. This side equally beautiful. Looks good on the 21s. Another Pirelli Scorpion. New disc and pads on the front. And the keyless entry, keyless start. Folding mirrors, electric mirrors, heated mirrors, electric windows, electric driver's seat, leather on the driver's seats, lovely. Automatic headlamps, R-line multifunction steering wheel, piano black on the dashboard, steering wheel, and round the gear selector, all lovely. Reverse cam, surround cam, so front, rear and side cameras. Price £18,595. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website to see our other vehicles in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,500 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you will get a notification every time we have a fresh vehicle come into stock. You would be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.